This video shows the steps to install the Pythio S25 to the Scotsman Prodigy Cuber, along with all of its optional accessories. After removing the Ice Machine stainless steel panel, you'll see the control panel access door. Remove the screw and open the door. First, remove the J2 power connector from the main board. Then remove the J1 power connector. Whenever handling the S25 board, always hold the board from the sides. Touching any components of the board could damage the S25. Place the S25 board on the control panel access door so that the short ID sticker is facing out the view window. Take the 4 included screws and begin screwing the S25 board into the control panel access door, being careful not to over-tighten. Take the included antenna and screw it into the front-facing antenna connector. Ensure that the antenna fits snugly and that it is pointing straight upwards. Attach the supplied cable to the right side of the S25 board. The other end of the cable goes into the accessory port on the Prodigy Scotsman board. This cable is reversible, so either end could go into either connector. Reattach the J2 power connector and the J1 power connector to restore power to the Prodigy Scotsman board. Close the control panel access door and reapply the screw. You should notice a series of blinking lights on the S25 board. Refer to the included documentation for a description of each light's function.